Hey guys, so I was just about to start with my skincare routine for the night. Of course, you can also use this during the day. This routine consists of 3 steps. All of these are DIYs. The first is a delicious scrub. Just wait and watch, you know what I'm talking about. Second is basically a cleansing mask, which will also add a lot of glow to your skin right from the first use itself. And the third one is a hydrating plus moisturizing formula. And I already have my scrub prepared, so you guys are already lagging behind. Let me quickly rewind and show you how to actually make the scrub, and let's get started. For the first step, which is scrubbing, you will only need 3 ingredients. The first one is oats. These are very easily available in the market these days, of course. So I'll take about 1 spoonful of oats, okay? And also for the step, you will need some chocolate, okay? So I'm using powdered chocolate from Cadbury Cocoa. You can also use, I'm just taking like about half a teaspoon, half a spoon, not exactly teaspoon, but half a spoon of this. If you don't want to use chocolate, you can also use coffee powder. It's a very common ingredient used in scrubs. And we will also add some milk. Now milk is a must if you have dry skin, but if you have oily skin, use just a little bit of milk and use a lot of rose water, because you don't want your skin to get too oily, obviously, even though it's winter. And you just mix the ingredients really well. And now that your scrub is ready, just apply this on your skin, and using your fingers, just massage it like this. Now the interesting thing about the scrub, guys, is that first of all, oats is like an ingredient which is really good at picking up dirty things from your skin and just throwing them off. Chocolate, on the other hand, is an amazing ingredient for just adding a nice radiance to your skin, to just making your skin relax and glow and pamper your skin. So that's really nice. Also, it smells amazing. And milk, of course, will help in moisturizing your skin and also cleansing your skin further. By the way, try to use raw milk if you have raw milk around, okay? Raw milk does more good. And by the way, guys, you can also use this scrub to scrub your lips if you want to scrub your lips. And that's it. Let me quickly go wash my face and get back to you and show you step number 2. Now moving to step number 2, guys. Honestly, you don't need that many ingredients. I've just kept a lot of options here for you all. So the first thing you need is Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti. If you can't find Multani Mitti powder for whatever reason, if it's really difficult to find in the place that you live, you can also check out the Patanjali Multani Mitti paste. It does the job really well. So either ways you can use whichever one you want. Let me use this one because I don't want to open the packet right now. It'll just cause too much of mess around in the video. Next, you will need a product called Kasturi Manjal. Wait, I'll also give you an alternative. So Kasturi Manjal is basically a type of turmeric called wild turmeric, and it's available mostly in the South India. However, if you can't find this online, this is available online, but in case you can't find it online, here's another product that you can consider trying out, and that is again from, I think, Patanjali. Okay, this is from Divya Pharmacy, which is like related, I don't know how, but yeah. So this is basically Divya Kanti Lep. I'll put the link down in the description box below also for it if I can find it online. This is also available in Patanjali stores usually. That's what I have seen. So in a way, it is a substitute, not in a chemical way, but yeah, it is a substitute that way, use-wise. And you will also need rose water over here because this thing can smell a little too strong. Both of these ingredients have a strong smell. So use rose water, and of course use milk. Please use milk because Multani Mitti can be extremely drying on the skin, and you don't want to dry out your skin during the winter time. So quite honestly, guys, okay, so between this and this, I'll probably use the Kasturi Manjal. You can also use Kanti Lep, Divya Kanti Lep if you want. Honestly, I don't like have a specific formula as to how much I like to add. I just mix and match and get like a decent paste. So okay, have I finished of the Multani Mitti pack? Oh my god, seriously? Okay. So there's just a little bit of Multani Mitti paste which I'm taking over here. You don't want to take too much of Multani Mitti paste because, like I said, it will dry out your skin and you don't want dry skin during winter time, obviously. So Multani Mitti paste and just a little bit of Kasturi Manjal or Divya Kanti Lep in case you're using that, okay? Next, we are going to use a good amount of rose water, okay? So that's some rose water which I've added. And last but not the least is milk, okay? And that's it. So now we have like a thin paste kind of a formula, and we'll apply this on the face. And then very quickly just apply this mask all over your face and neck, all over. The Kasturi Manjal slash Divya Kanti Lep, both are really good products if you want something antiseptic for your skin. If you have acne, if you have infection, or if you just have dull skin, this will really brighten up your skin as well. So cleaning, brightening the skin, polishing the skin, all of that is done. And milk and rose water, obviously we don't need to discuss the purpose. The rose water is again a great toner. Milk moisturizes and also cleans your skin further, so that's really nice. And yeah, we're done applying the mask. So leave this on for a couple of minutes and wash it off. I'll just get back to you after washing off this mask, and then we'll talk about step 3. And for the last step, guys, I've already taken aloe vera gel. You can use fresh aloe vera gel, Patanjali aloe vera gel, aloe vera gel, whichever one you like. Also, I'm sorry, oh my god, I'm again using a Patanjali product today. But next I also want to use some coconut oil over here. So basically guys, aloe vera gel will hydrate my skin, and the Patanjali or any coconut oil that you like. I promise this is not sponsored by Patanjali. I just happen to have a lot of Patanjali products here. And I do like this oil. I mean, quite honestly, I really like this oil because it's non-sticky, non-greasy. So aloe vera gel will hydrate the skin, and the oil will actually moisturize my skin. So what I love about coconut oil moisturizing the skin, guys, is that it just also cleans up the skin, it maintains the skin really well, and it will also heal your scars. And last but not the least, guys, if you have a lot of scars, a lot of problems in your skin, you can also add a few drops of sandalwood oil. So I got this when I was in Mysore, and again in South India. These ingredients are so amazingly well available everywhere, and all of that. So I really like that about South India. You have amazing beauty products available over here, but you can also find them online. Just make sure that whichever one you buy is a safe buy, 100% pure sandalwood oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like a few drops of sandalwood oil. This is not mandatory. If you want to skip sandalwood oil, you can totally skip it. I'm just adding it because of nice fragrance, and because it also heals the scars and kind of heals your skin really well if you have problem skin. And that's it. Our serum slash moisturizer is ready. This would easily sell in the market for I think 500-800 bucks. Trust me guys, it's such a nice formula. I've actually seen brands selling a very similar formula sometimes. I'm not going to mention which brands but isn't that amazing? Okay, so that's our step number 3, hydration serum, and let's put this on the face. I'm now just gonna apply this formula on my skin. By the way, just one thing I want to tell you guys, that this one has a slightly strong scent. Okay, this one has a slightly strong scent. So that's just something you need to know. Now what I love about this formula so much, guys, is that it gets absorbed very quickly into the skin, and instantly you'll start seeing a glow. So just imagine, okay, applying this every night on the skin, like after the first 2 steps, and then going off to sleep like this. Can you imagine how you will wake up in the morning? Like personally, I have been trying out this routine from the last 3 or 4 days. If you were with me on my Sunday live chat session, you'll notice how my skin was looking that day, and you can see how my skin was looking in the beginning also of the video. Right now I've already done all the steps, so obviously it's looking more fresh. But even the beginning of the video, you might have noticed, like without makeup, how my skin was looking. So there's definitely been a huge impact on my skin, and these are like DIYs which I really like. So if you guys want to try this out, try it out. Let me know in the comment section below how it worked for you. Please guys, I love your feedback. When you give your feedbacks, it encourages my other viewers also to trust my channel, to trust my DIYs, so try them out. And also, if you like this video, please share this video with your friends. It will really help me a lot. Hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on my social media for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.